Let me show you how to delete apps on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're trying to find a specific app to delete it, or it's not letting you delete it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first way that you can delete an app is just to press and hold on the app if it's just on your normal home screen. So let's say Clash Royale, I want to press and hold. And then you can see at the very bottom, it says remove the app. But after that, it will pop up with another question. Now it says remove from the home screen and delete the app. If you don't see the option to delete the app, I'll walk you through some steps to get that fixed as well. But let's say you accidentally hit remove from home screen. You can see that it removes it from the screen, but it's not deleted off of your phone itself. It's still taking up space and it's still on your phone. So you need to just go to the app library here and you can see there's Clash Royale, but you can just search for that app and then again, press and hold on it and then hit delete and then delete. And that will permanently delete it from your phone. You can always go back to the App Store and reinstall it. However, keep in mind, if you don't see that delete option, it's just a settings within your screen time. So you need to go to your screen time settings and check a couple different things. If you have content and privacy turned on, that could be limiting your ability to delete that app. So what we need to do is go in here and make sure deleting apps is not set to don't allow. If it's set to don't allow, if I press and hold on an app and hit remove app, it will only give me the option to remove from the home screen, not to permanently delete it. So I would recommend switching this to allow, or if you don't need this, completely turning off content and privacy restrictions. You don't necessarily need it. Now, the best way that I've found to delete all the apps is just go to your settings. And from here, we're going to go to your iPhone storage. This shows you every single app that is on your iPhone, and it conveniently shows them in terms of which apps are the largest down to the smallest. Let's say I don't use Apple Music very much, but it's taking up almost a gigabyte worth of data. All I have to do from here is to delete the app directly on here. And again, it shows me every single app on my iPhone. You can even sort it instead of by size, the last use date, so that you can go down towards the bottom and see apps that you really don't use very often. And towards the bottom, you might want to go through and delete some of these.